everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I'm going to have a haul for you guys. I actually ended up ordering two things. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the Lawn Fawn haul, and then in my next video, you will get to see my scrapbook.com haul, which is the bigger box down below. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Lawn Fawn. I just wanted to show you guys the box for this because it was super cute. This was ordered directly from Lawn Fawn's website, lawnfawn.com. So you look at that, how cute is that? It's just really cute all the way on the sides. And it's got the aqua color on the inside like their packaging. So I'm gonna just open it up, get everything out, and then we'll walk through everything. Okay, so walking through everything here, it looks like they did include a little bit of freebie stuff. So some paper here, just cute little paper here. It's a fall themed set that they cut out for this. So that's cute. And then of course they did the twine again, which I loved using the twine last time. It was perfect for a card front. So I will again hold on to the twine. And then this again. So I don't know if they do that every order, but I still have mine from last time. Oh, it's different. Look, handmade by, created by. So now I have two different little handmade stamps for that. That's pretty cute. And then free with I don't know if it was free with a certain amount order, but I definitely exceeded that amount. I think this was like 100 and I want to say this was about 170 altogether. So it was a bigger order for me. I like that Lawn Fawn does free shipping, and I also like that Lawn Fawn has a free with item. So I think from now on I will order most of my Lawn Fawn stuff directly from their website because Simon Says Stamp charges shipping no matter what unless they're having some sort of deal. And also scrapbook.com charges shipping no matter what unless they're having some sort of deal. So I really do like the free shipping with so much amounts. I'm such a sucker for that, and I generally will be spending quite a bit when I go to order anyway, so I just hate spending the money for the shipping. So I do appreciate that they have the free shipping option. And so this is their cute little stamp set. The bunny has a matching die cut in a different set, and I almost got that set too, but I was maxing out my my proposed budget here, so I definitely couldn't get everything, and I didn't get a couple of the new releases that I still want. So I will add those to future orders, but it's really cute. It's called Better Days. So this is one that's a free one. You can't just purchase this one, but it's got cute little sentiments, and I really just liked this one. Sending big hugs, and the hug you could color in, which is super cute. So that was a free one. I thought that was really cute. So that was one of the reasons I went and ordered directly from Lawn Fawn, and I had specifically wanted one stamp set for a really long time. I really like this. Let's see if I can pull out the matching stamp set and die and talk about it. There it is. So I had seen this. This is a really, really old one. It's big scripty words. And I had seen this on some cards recently. And it was super duper cute. They used the matching dies, and it just cuts the cutest little edge around all of these. And in the past I would not be a sucker for something like this. I wouldn't be interested, but lately I just really like the thin outline around words or letters especially. So I had been wanting this. It's been out at Simon Says Stamp the last few times I've ordered, and they happen to have it at Lawn Fawn's website, so I ended up getting the stamp and the die set, and the dies were expensive on this, but I thought it was worth it because you could use it for a lot of different things. So I like that they also have a winter themed set that's very similar, the stamp and die matching situation, but I love it. So I'm really excited to use that on some projects, but that's an older thing. And then I got one other older thing. This is Fancy Wavy banners, and so this banner folds. It's got the little indentation spots to fold it. It scores it. And then this is a frame and a thinner banner, and then this is a stitched banner. So I thought that would be great for a lot of things. A lot of these like skinnier sentiments are really easy to bend and wiggle, so you could definitely make them line up on one of these curvy things. So I thought that'd be a great thing to have, and I love, you guys know I love the stitchy things, so I like that. And then I really liked this one, and there's a matching one that has like triangle cutouts. This is called the Outside In Stitched Sun. So you can see this is the cut mark on there, and then it's got a stitch on the outside and a stitch on the inside, and same with the circle. It's got the cut mark in the middle and the stitching on both sides. So you can use the sun piece as a frame. You can cut the sun out and use just the negative space on a card, and same with the circle. You can have the circle inside or use it as a little sun frame. So I think it's a really cute option. There's one option there, it's just around the sun, and then it also had the little sun that you could use for scenes and things. And now the other set that has the little triangle cutouts, I wasn't a big fan of the actual sun itself with the triangle cutouts. I felt like it looked kind of busy, but I loved the smiley face that it had that you could put on the sun like this. So it had the sun smiley face pieces for the big sun, whereas this one only has it for the little tiny sun. So I was thinking about it, and I think I have some clouds. Yeah, so I've got these clouds that have the sun that I can detach from the cloud and use. And I don't know if it would be quite big enough for this sun, but it would work. I think it would still work. It's not quite big enough, but I think I'm going to try it and see if it would work, because I already had the clouds that had the little detachable faces. Since this is one solid piece, you can't use that tiny face. And it wouldn't be big enough anyway, but I think I can make do with the cloud little thing. It does have the little cheeks like this cutout does, but that would be the only reason I wanted that other sun. And it's kind of expensive to buy a die set when you only really just want one little piece of it, but I wanted the faces. I wish they had included the face also in this one, but I see obviously why they couldn't, because they had the sun in here. But that was just a really cute one. I liked this sun a whole lot better. I liked the little sun I could put it with, like that little greeting farm people or the lawn fawn creatures. There's lots of good options for this guy. So that, again, it's outside in stitched sun. I think that one's super versatile. And going along with that, all of these sentiments fit inside the sun frame. So let's see, no, it doesn't have a picture on the back, but some of the designs that they shared for inspiration had all these sentiments inside the frame sun. They looked really, really cute like that. And then of course you could use these for other things as well. It's got cute little paper airplane things, but I really liked that as well. And then this is one of the newer sets, and I do also want to get the other set of the bubbles. I don't know what it was called, but it's all these mice with the little bubbles and the bubble wand blowing bubbles. So this one I thought I could do a lot with, because it had a lot of sentiments, and it still included a mouse with a little bubble wand, so he can blow bubbles to make the bubble sentiments. And it's the same situation as last time, where they have the thin cutout around the letters. So this is called Scripty Bubble Sentiments. And I really, really liked the way this one looked. The inspiration cards were super cute for this one. There was one that they used aqua with white embossing powder to do the words. And I thought it was super cute. I think you could also use these without making them bubbles. Yeah, no inspiration on the back there, but I think you could just use them for anything, like watercolor the letters or color them with Copics and make really cool techniques with them. Not necessarily make them bubbles. But I like that it included the mouse, so I could do them as bubbles as well, but I want the whole set of mice with all the different bubbles and things, because they were super cute. It was one of those things where my order was getting too big and I had to set some things aside. And then I got some stencils. I got both sets of the new stencils and also the little bubble die here. So it gives you the border cutout shape and also the actual bubbles. No, nothing on the back there, but this one's called Bubble Border, and I like that. You could definitely use that with these guys and make it work. And then also the actual stencil. So there's two different sets of these. There's these bigger bubbles, and it also has the little like reflection spot for the bigger bubbles on this stencil. And this is called Bubble Stencil. And then this is called Bubble Background Stencil. So this one actually has two different stencils, so you can layer them, and I think it's super cute. I love the way they used both of these. Somebody did a rainbow bubble long card, and it was gorgeous. So I really want to play around with these. I'm getting more into inking, and I got more distress inks to play with, so I'm gonna try to use that and get better about inking. And then I was super excited, and again, I wish I could get every single pack, and I hope that they come out with packs of just one single color of these. This is their textured dot cardstock, and it reminds me of the Basil Swiss dot paper. Other companies also have done this in the past, but the dots are slightly textured and raised, but they're also like lighter in color. Hopefully you guys can see. I may just have to open this up to look at all the colors. But I love this paper. It's great to make for die cutting. Beautiful, beautiful for making alphas out of cardstock. So I love this so much. So this is the pack. Which one's this called? This is the Brights. So there were four, I think there were 4 or 5 different pack combos, but you could only buy them in the combo packs. You can't just buy like the purple paper. I would love to be able to buy like a 24 pack or 25 pack of just one single color. So we've got the purple, we've got the blue, which is gorgeous. And that green, it's more like almost an avocado-ish green. And then the orange, which is beautiful. And then red, which will be great for Valentine's Day stuff or Christmas stuff coming up. And the red and green would coordinate well together as well. There are the colors of the Brights pack, but I definitely want more of this. I hope they come out with the bulk packs so that we can just buy it as individual colors, because there were packs that had like really pretty pinks and things, and I would like to have like brown, but I didn't want to buy all the different colors. So you get just 2 of each color in the combo pack. So hopefully they will keep going with this, because I really, really like this paper. It's a good weight. It's just a cardstock. That was it for my Lawn Fawn haul. I talked a bunch. I'm really excited about this stuff. I had this Scripty words on my list forever, but it's just not been in stock. So finally I was able to get it. I got a lot of the new stuff to play with. I was super excited about this release. The bubble stuff was just super duper cute. I just really, really liked it. So I am excited to dig into this stuff and make some cards coming up, try some inking techniques, and just have fun playing around. So I hope you guys like this. I'll link to everything down below for you guys. And that's it for today. Like, subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.